Usumbut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla ba Prestone Tensong ha kajingidon lang Wabilash Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District ha ka arp khandai tarik naitung ula plat pai pa ek district portal dceastkhasihills.in ha conference hall ka DC Ophis ha kini kajingilang la sakhiru deki officer Rangba chukani ka district Uba Prestone Tensong rate hu ikilat pathai Khubor da kaboong kini ka portal balapli pai pa am tarasngi kalong ban pensuk pat penstet ikijing terekam jong ka Ophis DC na kabenta kajing bet jing biang ke pai pa kini ka district lingba kini ka portal dceastkhasihills.in ki pai pa na kinu kinu kishnong na kini ka district kila ban od ban ujo lada ki kendu ikijing e ki pete ki kamram jong ka sarkar kumjuru kila ban pentip marmar lada don kinu kinu kijing ja bas ngusi haki emlang salang kenang ban pen kloi kijing yarap
of the state, meeting those grievances that they have, meeting all those issues where they have, be it individually or up to the village level or the area level or whatever. Okay, few initiatives have been taken by the DC East Khasi. For example, see now we wanted to bring down the government up to the doorstep of the citizens of the state. So what we have done is recently, I think the DTO, now we have instructed them that even driving license can be provided from the BDO office. Okay, so this is the intention of the government. I'm telling you, we will make sure that this intention reach out to all the stakeholders up to the grassroots level. So this is the humble beginning, and I'm very sure, as I said to you, as we go on, we'll be able to make sure that this delivery system that we have in place will reach out easily to all the stakeholders in the state. Talking about the district administration would like to have a separate dedicated portal in their own jurisdiction in this way, which we have just launched. You understand my point? Otherwise, different departments they do have their dedicated online service. It's already there. But in addition to that, as I said to you, if you talk about the district, what happened is each and every head of the district, they have so many challenges to respond the grievances or the issues raised by different stakeholders within their district. That's what I'm saying. This is the first ever initiative taken by the district administration of East Khasi, and it will also be followed by all the districts in the state of Meghalaya.
So coming to the registry,
As I said to you, because see, here is the portal where public can easily complain, can easily bring it to the notice of the district administration. All subjects, okay, all subjects. District administration has to know about it within their jurisdiction. So therefore, once the complaint reaches this portal, immediately we will acknowledge them. I think demonstration has been made by the DC himself, and you have seen it also. Then again, from the office of the DC, they will take it up to the concerned department or to the concerned branch or to the concerned wing of the government who is located within their own jurisdiction. So this is the idea, and I am very sure with this initiative we taken today, we'll be able to resolve the issues at the earliest possible. As mentioned by the DC, I think we would like to see the real-time value is also happening from one case to another case.
As has been instructed by Honorable Sir, that there is already right to public services. Right to public services clearly defines deadlines for different kinds of services. And the same deadlines will operate over here as well. So whatever the law says, I mean, under right to public services, there are punitive provisions as well. And there is already an extant law, which has been executed by the government of Meghalaya, wherein public has been given the right to avail services within its defined time frame. So this is already there.
Okay.
What about
Sir,
rural areas, sir, and where, what about the areas?
Government is trying its best, especially if you talk about the networking. Because right now, I think the challenges that we have in the rural areas is the networking. So now the government is always in touch with the concerned central agencies to take up these issues, and initiative has been taken, and now we have already entrusted to IT department to take it up these issues, and also to make sure that the networking is always available up to the endpoint of the state of Meghalaya. So we are doing this, and it is the ongoing job. And the responsibility of the government as well. We would like to make sure that each and every villages, they are being covered fully with the network.
so one question for the DC.
Any time frame?
As I said to you, it is on working. Because see, this subject, again, let me tell you, it is the central subject. It is not the state subject. But that's why we created IT department also, to be always closely monitor with the central agencies, and they have a regular meeting each month, each week, each day, and I'm very sure within no time the networking will be fully covered.
SMS will have to be in English because it's difficult to get the approval, because it has to be approved by CDAC. It is difficult to get approval in the local language. But then as far as of now, how are they registering their complaint? My question is, as of now, how are they registering their complaint? They can register their complaint through block office as well. They register their complaint through Gram Sevak as well. All these complaints will ultimately come to you. Through this portal, what we have enabled is that we do not lose track of the matter. That they will be informed in real time that what is the status on their matter, and they can always check. So we are not really asking them to mandatorily to register their complaint here only. It's just an addition to all the mechanisms which are already available. In fact, this is already available that if they want to register a complaint even regarding electricity poles, they can come and complain to their Gram Sevak, who in turn will forward it to the video, ultimately coming to us. So this is already there.
Sir, different.
Okay, I think that, yeah.